If you want to schedule send messages on the Poco F8 Ultra, start by opening not the settings but messages application, open your conversation, and right now input here the text that you want to select like this, and now you have to click on the plus in the left bottom corner and go into that option called schedule send. Now you can pick date and the time. So let's say I want to send this in the next year. There we go. Click next, and right now you have to set a time just like this. Click set, and now when we swipe down we can find the preview, our message, date, time, and to send it we have to click on this button. Now as you can see, every schedule sent message will look like this with the icon over here. You can still edit this one by clicking on this. You can update the message, you can send it now, or you can delete the message.